Imagine standing at the pharmacy counter, receipt in hand, doing the math again. Calcium supplement, $38 a bottle. Vitamin D drops, $22. Bone density scan, another copay you weren't expecting. You put 2 of them back because the budget doesn't stretch that far this month. But here's what nobody in that store wants you to know. Every day you skip the right nutrition, your bones quietly hollow out, stealing the confidence to walk across an icy parking lot without your heart rate spiking, stealing the ease of stepping off a curb without mentally calculating the drop, stealing the moment you scan a restaurant floor for rugs you might trip on before you even glance at the menu. After 60, your body loses bone density faster than it builds it. The gap widens every year. And the industry wants you to focus on the bottle because they cannot patent the grocery aisle. The 5 foods that actually rebuild your skeleton cost less than a single bottle of the supplements they keep pushing at you. That is not a coincidence. That is a business model. Tonight, that model stops working on you. The science that changes everything. Your bones run a construction site every hour of every day. 2 types of cells drive the operation. Osteoclasts demolish old bone. Osteoblasts pour new bone in its place. When you were young, the builders dominated. After 60, the demolition crew overtakes them, and the result is bone that holds its shape on the outside while crumbling silently within. Think of it like a building that stopped receiving deliveries. The walls still stand, the paint still looks fresh. But cut them open and the steel inside is corroding, the concrete is fracturing, and the whole structure waits for one hard knock to come apart. Your skeleton needs calcium. It craves it, but calcium alone accomplishes nothing. Without vitamin K2, calcium cannot locate your bones. It drifts. It parks inside your arteries and calcifies tissue that was never meant to harden, quietly damaging the same cardiovascular system you are trying to protect. Without vitamin D3, your gut refuses to absorb calcium at all. It builds the frame, it sets the foundation, and most importantly, it ensures your body never has to steal calcium from your heart just to support your hips. This is why millions of people swallow expensive supplements every morning and still fracture. The bottle delivers the ingredient. It just never delivers the system. Yeah, the 5 foods ahead fix that. Not as 5 isolated choices, but as one coordinated biological team. Each plays a specific role. Together, they hand your skeleton the complete construction crew it has been missing for years. Food number 1, canned sardines with bones. The total package. For less than the price of a medium coffee, $1.80 to $2.50 per can, you get more bone-active minerals than a week's worth of synthetic calcium pills. You walk past them every week. Every week, your bones go without the one food that floods your skeleton with more raw material per dollar than anything else on the shelf. Sardines packed with their pressure-cooked, fully edible bones drive calcium and phosphorus directly into your system, in the exact biological ratio your skeleton uses, in the most absorbable form on Earth. They do not deliver a partial ingredient and hope for the best. They flood your system with complete, ready-to-use bone material the moment digestion begins. No supplement replicates this. No powder approaches it. The industry spent decades convincing you that bone nutrition lives in a bottle. It always lived in this can. Mash them onto whole grain crackers. Stir them into tomato pasta. Fork them into a bowl with lemon and hot sauce. Once or twice a week, rewires your calcium intake in a direction no $38 bottle ever could. Food number 2, prunes. The hip shield. Around 25 cents per serving, 5 to 6 prunes per day. Your hips carry every step you take, every stair you climb, every moment you shift your weight without thinking about it. And a fractured hip after 70 does not simply mean surgery and a difficult recovery. Studies show that within 1 year of a hip fracture, up to 30% of older adults do not survive it. That grunt you make lowering yourself into a low car seat, that split-second grab for the wall when your balance wavers, those are your hips sending signals. Signals worth listening to. 5 prunes a day answer those signals for a quarter. A 2022 study in the Journal of Nutrition confirmed that eating just 5 to 6 prunes daily prevented bone mineral density loss in the hips of postmenopausal women. Not slowed the loss, stopped it. The hips researchers expected to weaken held their density. The mechanism is boron, a trace mineral buried inside every prune that nobody in the supplement aisle ever mentions. Boron extends vitamin D's active life in your bloodstream and triples the window during which it drives calcium into bone. It does not just support the system, it amplifies every other food on this list simultaneously. 5 prunes with your morning tea, 6 alongside an afternoon snack. The dried fruit aisle holds more hip protection per dollar than the entire supplement section. The industry just never had a reason to tell you that. Food number 3, collard greens or kale. The foundation around $1.50 per bunch. Less than half that frozen calcium needs architecture to hold it in place. Inside every healthy bone lives a protein matrix, a structural scaffolding that anchors mineral and gives gives your skeleton its rigidity and resilience. Without that scaffolding, calcium dissolves back into the bloodstream. It is like pouring concrete into a mold that does not exist. Dark leafy greens, collard greens, kale, bok choy manufacture that mold as they load your system with vitamin K1, which drives the mineralization process that locks calcium into the bone matrix. K1 does not deliver the calcium, builds the architecture that holds it permanently in place. A bunch of fresh collard greens costs less than a cup of coffee. A bag of frozen kale costs even less and anchors your bone scaffolding every day of the week. Sauté it in olive oil, stir it into soup, fold it into eggs. 5 minutes of prep, a week of structural reinforcement your skeleton builds on quietly while you sleep. But none of these first 3 foods matter if you make the one mistake 90% of seniors make every single morning. And the next food reveals exactly what that mistake is. Food number 4, kefir or plain Greek yogurt, the traffic cop. Around $4 for a large tub. A full week of protection. Every morning, millions of people over 60 swallow calcium and send it directly into their arteries. Not because they are doing anything wrong, because they are missing the one nutrient that commands calcium where to go. Without vitamin K2, calcium does not reach your bones. It drifts into arterial walls, calcifies soft tissue, and hardens the cardiovascular system while your skeleton stays starved. You absorb the mineral and it damages the wrong place. That is the mistake. That is what 90% of seniors unknowingly repeat every morning. Fermented dairy corrects it. The fermentation process inside kefir and Greek yogurt produces vitamin K2 in its MK7 form, the most bioavailable, longest-lasting version that commands calcium out of the bloodstream and directs it straight into bone. It does not suggest a destination, it enforces one. One large tub delivers 7 days of K2 traffic control for $4. Eat it in the morning alongside your prunes. Eat it before bed as your final meal. Either way, you close the loop that every expensive supplement leaves open. The step between swallowing calcium and actually building bone with it. Without this food, the rest of the list completes only half its mission. With it, the entire system locks into place and starts working the way your body always intended. Food number 5, canned pink salmon. The key around $3.50 for a large 14-ounce can, less than most fast food meals. Here's the frustrating truth the supplement industry hopes you never connect. You could eat sardines twice a week. You could have your prunes every morning, your greens every evening, your kefir every night. And if vitamin D3 deficiency has taken hold, which silently affects the majority of adults over 60, your gut wall shuts the door completely. Calcium arrives and passes straight through. The construction materials reach the site. The gate stays locked. Vitamin D3 commands the gate open. It does not request entry, it commands it. And canned pink salmon, with its soft, fully edible bones, delivers one of the most significant hits of vitamin D3 available in any single food. One large can at $3.50 drives vitamin D3 into your system, floods your body with omega-3s that dismantle the inflammation attacking your joints, and delivers bioavailable calcium from the bones simultaneously. 3 mechanisms. 1 can, less than a fast food side order. Make salmon patties, stir it into rice, fork it over a salad with olive oil and lemon. 5 minutes of preparation. A full day of every door in your gut standing open, letting the construction crew through. Why this works. This is not a list. This is a biological assembly line, and every station operates with purpose. Sardines flood the system with raw material, calcium and phosphorus in the ratio your skeleton demands. Kale constructs the protein scaffolding that anchors mineral permanently in place. Kefir commands the calcium traffic, pulling it from your arteries and driving it into bone. Salmon orders the gut wall open so absorption actually fires. Prunes keep the vitamin D engine running at full capacity so nothing in the system goes to waste. Sardines pour the concrete. Kale builds the framework. Kefir directs every delivery. Salmon unlocks the gate. Prunes keep the lights on around the clock. Together, they hand your skeleton the complete coordinated construction crew it has been missing. Not from a bottle manufactured to be reordered every 30 days, but from the canned goods aisle, the dairy cooler, the produce section, and the dried fruit shelf. This is not just a grocery list, it is your independence. It is the confidence to walk into any room, across any surface, without your eyes dropping to the floor first. It is getting out of a low car seat without bracing yourself for the effort. It is passing the restaurant hostess stand without scanning the floor for the rug that catches you off guard. You are not just feeding your bones, you are taking back your freedom. One deliberate, affordable, unstoppable meal at a time. Your bones are ready. Your grocery list costs $12. Your stronger life starts tonight.